Today we are going to see about one of the fundamental forces of nature, strong nuclear force. So this topic is under NCERT 11th Standard Physics, chapter 1.4.3. So totally we have four forces: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. Out of these four forces, the strong nuclear force will have it is the strongest force. Okay, right. So now if you see the nucleus, inside nucleus we will be having neutrons, protons, and put together we can call it as nucleons. These are all residing inside the nucleus. Okay, so because of the bonding between the nucleus, we say it's a strong nuclear force. Even though we have two protons, you may say it's a repulsive force. Now we will see through the graph whether it is repulsive force, attractive force, or we can compare with Coulomb force also, and we will finally see what is the strong nuclear force, what will be its magnitude and other things. So I have shown you only 4 nucleons, but in a nucleus you may have more than that also. That depends on the atomic number of the particular element. Okay. Now we will define. So a strong nuclear force exists between nucleons within the nucleus. Okay, now we will go for the definition. The force which binds protons and neutrons combined together, we can call it as nucleons. In an atomic nucleus is called strong nuclear force. So this is the definition. Okay. So whenever we deal with strong nuclear force, in the atomic structure we have electrons also. These electrons will not experience any force at all. So when we say strong nuclear force, it is due to the interaction between, or the force of attraction or repulsion between the nucleons alone. Electrons doesn't comes into the picture. That's what important note. Electron does not experience any force. Okay. Now we will see the graph, and we must note the distance between the nucleons. It is in femtometer. Femto means 10 power minus 15 meter. Okay, right. So the x-axis is, this is 1 femtometer, 2 femtometer, 3 femtometer, and keeps on going. In the y-axis we have force, the value multiplied by 10 power 4 Newton. So if you carefully see, less than 1 femtometer, that is the distance between two nucleons is less than 1 femtometer. It means that 1 into 10 power minus 15 meter, then it is all positive, attractive force. Anything above this is attractive force. And the value, suppose if you take roughly around 0.5 femtometer, it is having 0.5, it is having 3 into 10 power 4 Newton. That is 3 followed by 4 zeros Newton. Okay. Suppose, and there is one point where it crosses, there is absolutely no force at all, and this value is varying. Okay, varying means we don't have correct value for that. Once it exceeds 1 femtometer, between the nucleons it experiences a repulsive force. For example, if I consider say some point around here, say 1.25 like that, it is having roughly 2 point, forget about minus sign indicates repulsive. So 2 into 10 power 4 Newton. Okay, so 2 into 10 power 4 Newton. So this side it is all repulsive. But if you slowly increase the distance, it keeps on, it tries to reach the zero at 3 femtometer. That means put together, if you consider right from 0 to 3, the 3 femtometer is a very, very small distance between the nucleons, and everything happens within this 3 femtometer. You can see attractive force, repulsive force, and when the distance increases and reaches 3 femtometer, it goes to 0. So the distance between the two nucleons is very, very less when we deal with strong nuclear force. Okay. Now we have to compare with Coulomb's separation repulsion force between two protons, because we have protons. Protons are positive charge. So naturally it has a tendency to repel within the nucleus. But that graph, if you see, this value it is given here, it is less than this, that is 1 into 10 power 4 Newton. Okay. So that means the strong nuclear force is several times higher than the Coulomb's law of repulsive force. Okay. Now the last point is, the strong nuclear force when compared to electromagnetic force is 100 times the electromagnetic force. 100 into electromagnetic force. The strong nuclear force is 10 power 38 times the gravitational force. Okay, and we have one more force which is weak nuclear force. So for all the 4 cases, this has the highest strength, highest force. Okay, that's why we call it as strongest nuclear force. So fundamentally in the nature we have 4 forces. In this is the highest force, highest value force. Okay. So I covered everything about the basics of strong nuclear force related with fundamental forces in nature. When you go depth inside, you will be knowing entire thing about this nuclear force, strong nuclear force. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.